Dear students, welcome back to our next video. In this video, we are going to do conjunctions from our English book, that is English grammar book. Students, you have already done conjunctions in class 1. I hope you all remember what are conjunctions and the concept of conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Joining words such as and, but, or, so, if, whether, though, although, etc. are called conjunctions. Let's start doing conjunctions. Open your English 1 grammar book. Lesson number 13, the conjunctions. Page number 33030. Though, but, since, still. Joins words or sentences together. Look into your books, children. Read these sentences. Rama has gone and Arjun has gone. Do your work or I shall punish you. Number 3, I called him but he did not hear me. The word and joins the sentence. Rama has gone to the sentence Arjun has come. The word or joins the sentence do your work to the sentence I shall punish you. The word but joins the sentence I called him to the sentence he did not hear me. These words and or but which are used to join one sentence to another are called conjunctions. Sometimes a conjunction merely joins words such as two and two make four. Here the conjunctions and joins the word two and two. The following sentences contains additional examples of conjunctions. I did not come because you did not call me. Give me to drink, else I shall die of thirst. You will get the prize if you deserve it. Do not go before I come. I hear that your brother is in London. Will you wait till I return? He deserved to succeed, for he worked hard. He asked whether he might have a holiday. I can't sleep because it is very hot. I will stay until you return. He was sorry after he had done it. Study the following sentence containing further examples of conjunctions. Unless you tell me the truth, I shall punish you. He finished first, though he began late. Since you say so, I must believe it. As he was not there, I spoke to his brother. When I was young, I thought so. They are poor yet cheerful. The bag was heavy, therefore I could not carry it. I missed the train although I walked fast. The earth is larger than the moon. Children, in this, conjunctions are unless, though, since, as, when, yet, therefore, although, then. So, children, I hope you have understood the concept of conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. Now, let's start with exercise 1. Pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. Children, here we will underline the conjunction word in the book itself. Hold your pencils in your hands and start underlining the conjunctions with me. He is clever but lazy boy. He is clever but lazy boy. Underline the word but. I waited till the train arrived. Underline the word till. The man died before the doctor arrived. Underline the word before. Before is a conjunction. Number 4, Rama failed because he was idle. Underline the word because. Number 5, she is kind and loving mother. Kind and loving. Underline the word and. Number 6, you must work harder or I shall punish you. Underline the word or. Number 7, I ran fast but missed the train. Underline the word but. I ran fast but missed the train. Number 8, I know that he is ill. Underline the word that. That is also a conjunction. Number 9, the mice will play when the cat is away. Underline the word when. Number 10, they are poor yet contented. Underline the word yet. Number 11, don't answer unless you know. Underline the word unless. Number 12, he will help you if you ask him. He will help you if. Underline the word if you ask him. Number 13, he will never succeed although he works hard. He will never succeed although he works hard. Underline the word although. Turn to next page. Number 14, ask him whether he wishes to go or not. Ask him whether he wishes to go or not. Children, in this sentence we have two conjunction words, whether and or. So underline the word first whether and then or. You will come if you like. Underline the word if. There dwelt a miller, hale and bold. Underline the word and. Hale and bold, and is conjunction. Number 17, his petticoats now George cast off, for he was 4 years old. Underline the word for. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for. Check your answers, students. But, till, before, because, and. Number 6, or, but, that, when. Number 10, yet. 11, unless. 12, if. 13, although. Ask him whether he wishes to go or not. In this, whether and or are conjunctions. Then in number 15, if. 16, and. 17, for. Children, with this we have completed exercise 1. Now students, move to exercise 2. Fill each blank in the following sentences with appropriate conjunction. Here we have to select the correct conjunction. Number 1, he is old dash strong. He is old but B-U-T but strong. Number 2, work hard dash you will fail. Work hard or or you will fail. Number 3, the train was derailed dash no one was hurt. But B-U-T but. The train was derailed but no one was hurt. Number 4. 2 dash 3 make 4 5. 2 and 3 make 5. Number 5. You will get the prize. Dash you work hard. You will get the prize if you work hard. Number 6. I spoke to him. Dash he did not answer. I spoke to him, but but he did not answer. Number 7. Wait here. Dash I come. Till. Wait here till 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 I come. Number 8. Be just dash fear not. Be just and and fear not. Number 9. He was punished dash he was guilty. In this we can write as or because. We can use both the conjunctions as or because because. Because he was punished as he was guilty. He was punished because he was guilty. Number 10. There is no doubt dash the earth is round. In the dash we will write that that. There is no doubt that the earth is round. Number 11. Will you kindly wait dash I return? Will you kindly wait till till I return? Will you kindly wait till I return? Number 12. Catch me dash you can. Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Number 13. The grasshopper would not have starved in winter dash she had not been lazy all the summer. In the dash we will write if. If. Number 14. We saw the lightning dash we heard the thunder. In the dash we will write and and. Number 15. I will go away dash you do not want me. I will go away if you do not want me. Number 16. The tortoise beat the hare dash the hare was swifter of the two. Though. In the dash write though. Though the hare. Number 17. I shall be surprised dash you fail. I shall be surprised if you fail. Number 18. Cats can climb trees dash dogs cannot, but dogs cannot. Number 19. He has succeeded better dash he hoped. He has succeeded better than than he hoped. Number 20. He can travel by land dash by water. He can travel by land or over or by water. Number 21. He had read much though he is young. He has read much though though he is young. He has read much though though he is young. 22. I am sorry dash you are offended. I am sorry if you were offended. I am sorry if you were offended. With this, children, we have completed exercise 1 and 2 of lesson number 13. Exercise 3 we will be doing in our next class in our English 1 notebook. Students, complete your work of exercise 1 and 2. Thank you, students.